DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service. The goal is simple: make a website or online service unavailable, overwhelming it with traffic until it crashes. Imagine a highway with a single lane. A DDoS attack is like sending 10,000 cars onto that highway at once. Nothing moves. No one gets through. Let me give you an everyday example. Imagine you are at a concert. There is only one door to get into the venue. Thousands of people are trying to enter at the same time. No one can move. No one can get in. The people who are already inside cannot get out. The doors are open. The security guards are working. But the sheer number of people makes it impossible for anyone to do anything. That is a DDoS attack. Not a locked door. Not a broken lock. Just too much traffic for the system to handle. Attackers build a network of compromised computers. This is called a botnet. Thousands or even millions of infected devices. Computers, smartphones, security cameras, smart refrigerators, anything connected to the internet. The attacker controls the botnet remotely. At the chosen time, every device in the botnet sends traffic to the target website. The website servers cannot handle the flood. They slow down. Then they stop responding. Then they crash. The first major DDoS attack happened in 2000. A 15-year-old Canadian hacker known as Mafiaboy attacked several major websites: Yahoo, eBay, Amazon, CNN. He used a simple script that he found online. The attack lasted about 1 hour. Yahoo was down for nearly an hour. The total economic damage was estimated at $1.2 billion. The teenager was eventually caught and sentenced to 8 months in a juvenile detention center. But he proved how easy it was to disrupt the internet with basic tools and a little creativity. In 2016, a DDoS attack against DNS provider Dyn took down much of the internet. Twitter was inaccessible. Netflix stopped working. Reddit went offline. Spotify, Amazon, PayPal, The Guardian, CNN, all affected. The attack used a botnet of compromised security cameras and video recorders. The Mirai malware had infected hundreds of thousands of devices. The attacker controlled them all from a single command center. No physical damage occurred, but the economic impact was measured in hundreds of millions of dollars. Imagine you are at home trying to watch a movie on Netflix. You press play. The loading spinner spins, and spins, and spins. You check your internet connection. It is fine. You restart your router. Still nothing. You try to check Twitter on your phone. It will not load. You try to get news from CNN. Nothing. For a few hours, a significant portion of the internet simply does not work. This is not your fault. Your internet is fine. The problem is that someone decided to flood the systems with garbage traffic. You are collateral damage in a digital war. Why do people launch DDoS attacks? Some are extortion attempts. Pay us or we will take your website offline. Some are hacktivism. Political or social messages delivered through disruption. Anonymous attacking government websites. Climate activists attacking fossil fuel companies. Some are competitive sabotage. A company attacking its rivals to steal customers during downtime. Some are just vandalism. People with technical skills and nothing better to do. During the 2022 Russia-Ukraine conflict, DDoS attacks were used as a weapon of war. Both sides attacked government websites, banks, and media outlets. The attacks often preceded military action. Large companies protect themselves with DDoS mitigation services. Cloudflare, Akamai, AWS Shield. These companies have enormous networks that absorb attack traffic before it reaches the target. Smaller websites can protect themselves by choosing hosting providers with built-in DDoS protection. It is more expensive but necessary for businesses that depend on their website. For the average person, DDoS attacks are not a direct threat. You are not a big enough target. But your devices could become part of a botnet. Keep your software updated. Change default passwords on smart devices. This helps everyone stay safer. Let me give you an everyday example of how your devices could become part of a botnet without you knowing. You buy a security camera to watch your front door. You plug it in. You connect it to Wi-Fi. You never change the default password. The default password is admin. One day, an attacker scans the internet for cameras with the default password. They find yours. They install malware on your camera. Your camera is now part of a botnet. When the attacker launches a DDoS attack, your camera is one of thousands sending traffic to the target. You notice nothing. Your camera still works. Your doorbell still rings. But your device is now a weapon being used against someone else. This is why changing default passwords matters. This is the end of Module 3, DDoS attacks. Subscribe now. Stay safe. Stay calm. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for listening.